Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I will show you how you enable family share on Steam. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. Alright, so the first thing that you have to do is to go to Steam's and click on Settings. So from here, go to Family, and from here, click on Manage Family View. Alright, now from here, scroll down, and here, let's make sure that all games is selected. Now click on Next. And here, insert your email address and click on Next. Now enter your PIN. Alright, now click Next. And here, enter the secret code sent to the email that you registered. So go to your email address and copy the code and paste it in Steam. Okay, now here family view is enabled. Now you can add your family members and they can now borrow some games from your library. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.